Welcome back to my channel. Today, what we are looking at is measurement. So this question reads, it says, a piece of wire 61 centimeters long is bent to form a sector, as shown in the diagram below. So we're looking at it. The sector of the circle OPQ has center O and radius of 18 centimeters. The question says, show that the value of x is approximately 80 degrees. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the length of the piece of wire and relate it to this, right? So it was bent to form the sector, which means that this perimeter here in green is equal to 61. So we're seeing where the perimeter is equal to 61. And what that means for us is that we are now able to relate ideas. For example, OP is a radius, and this is equal to OQ, which is equal to 18, which means that we are able to put 18 here as the radius as well. So what that means then is that I could take this 61 and then I could add 18 and 18 and subtract it from 61, okay? So 61, so if we take 36 from that 61, right? So this is gonna equal to 61 minus 36, which is 25. This is actually the arc length. This 25 here is the arc length that we're finding, which means that this is 25 centimeters, right? So now 18 plus 18 plus 21 would give us our total of 61. Now, what we're going to do is to take this idea and now utilize it to find the angle at the center of the circle. Remember, though, that arc length is equal to the angle at the center. I'm going to use x out of 360 times 2 pi r. That's what the arc length is, okay? Now, we can simply substitute all that we have in an effort to find x, because we do have everything else, because the arc length is 25, meaning from P all the way to Q is 25. Right? So definitely we could substitute. So this is 25 for the arc length right here. And this is going to equal to x over 360 times 2 times pi. We were told to use 22 over 7 times r, which is 18. So let me put these over 1. So quickly, we could just work out one single number on the right side. So 2 times 22, 2 times 22 times 18. If we divide that by 7 and divide it again by 360, what we're having is this. We're going to have 25, which is equal to x times, and I'm going to put this in bracket, 0.314. So what I'm suggesting is that when we work out this part with all of these numbers, we're getting this, okay? So it's not a big deal right there. So let us now divide both sides by 0.3143. And at the end of this, we should get a value very close to 80. All right, it's not going to be 80 because we are going to be rounding off. So 25 divided by 0.3143, we're getting 79.54, which is equal to x. This is the degree. But remember, show that the value of x is approximately 80. That means if I round this off to the nearest whole number, I will get 80 degrees, which is equal to x. And there we go. Thank you for watching, and see you another time where we'll be working out more problems like these. Bye-bye.